Hello and welcome to All Is Outdoors. Today we are going to open up the MONSTERBASS Platinum bag for April. Let's get into it, see what we got. Okay, right here it is. The MONSTERBASS bag. Came in a bag again because it's platinum. They switched over from boxes to bags. Gusseted like last time. Nice bag. Looks good. Let's see what we got. So we've got no book again this time. It's about your box. And your vote counts. So you just scan these, and same thing here. I think this will tell you about your box. I'll have to do that. I didn't even do it last time. I did go in and take the survey last time. They had just multiple choice questions that you could answer, and they're asking for the same thing again, 2 minutes for $5. So they'll give you a little $5 coupon code once you get done. So that's in the box. Next thing we got is looks like Fish Angler. Exclusive offer. Claim 1 month for Fish Angler. So it's an app. You can go on there. That comes in your bag. You can check that out. Let's see. First thing is we've got a Castaic Atlas spinnerbait. Right there. It looks like. It is 3/8 of an ounce. And chartreuse white ghost shad color. So there it is. I got it upside down so you can see it, but Castaic spinnerbait, double wool. Next thing is Xzone Lures, muscleback finesse craw. 3.25, and there's an 8 count, and this is pearl white. So Xzone craws. Next thing is we got Yum Christie Critter. It's green pumpkin, 8 count. Not sure what size it is, but the Christie craw. Creature bait. Next thing in the box is a square bill, MONSTERBASS square bill. It's a square banger. Their new square bill that they came out with. It is in the creamsicle color. Square bill. That's an exclusive color, they said. There are a few on the site that you can get, but they'll be coming in your bags. They have 2 exclusive colors. Next thing is Livingston Lures. It's a crankbait. This has the sound technology in it, like the ones I opened before that I had got. I'll have to go through and do that, but this is a deeper diving crankbait. This is an orange craw color and 8 to 10 feet. Orange craw, Livingston lure, crankbait with sound technology. Next thing we have is the Hachi bleeding bait hooks. 3 count, and they're 4/0. I'm sure that'll probably pair up here with these Christie critters. And you can do a little Texas rigging with those. Last thing here, besides the sticker, is a jig. It's a 5/16 ounce pacemaker jig. Looks like a It doesn't really say what color it is. It's a black and with kind of red in it as well. That's probably pair that up with these right here, contrasting colors. But that would probably work pretty good on that jig. Next thing we got, and last thing, is the MONSTERBASS sticker. The sticker for the month. Pretty neat. And of course, the bag. Okay, let's recap what we've got. We've got the sticker. We've got the hooks, the bleeding bait hooks, which would pair up with the Christy Craw green pumpkin from Yum. Very nice. Different appendages here. We have the pacemaker jig. That's in a black color. Got a nice little bait keeper here on it, as you can see. Nice stout hook, good weed guard. That could pair up with the Xzone. The Muscleback Finesse, white color. We have the MONSTERBASS Square Banger, their new crankbait that they have. They've got the normal red front treble, help the fish key in on it. There's also some ribs down here you can see. More vibration in the water. Fish can hear that better, they think. So, it's pretty nice size to it. But looks nice. There's Square Banger. The next thing is Livingston Lures with the sound technology. 8 to 10 foot diver. You can see the lip on that. And this does have the sound technology. You got a little white belly. Looks nice. Next thing is that Castaic spinnerbait, double willow, gold. Nice bait keeper. Actually no bait keeper on it really. Little different length here with this. Nice color. You could actually, I guess, use these as a trailer on there if you want it. Next thing is the Fish Angler app that they got for the month. And then they have, of course, the survey that you should go take. That is about your box. Scan that. You can see about the box, see about the baits. I'm going to do that so I can talk a little bit better about that next month. And then we have the MONSTERBASS bag. Pretty nice bag. You can do a lot of things with these. But there you go. Pretty nice bag for the month. I think that's pretty good. I think those would be good baits to get out there and use this time of year. Still can't do that here yet. Getting close. It's warmed up a little bit. There's no ice on the water anymore, so be able to get out there soon and give these a try. But pretty good bag. If you like this kind of content, you know, hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment. You know, tell me how I'm doing. Hit the like button if you like it. Hit the not like button if you don't like it. And just tell me what I'm doing wrong. Leave me a comment. We're not getting lots of comments, so leave a comment. But thanks for coming along with me. We'll see you again next week on All Is Outdoors. Now get yourself outdoors and have a good time.